very recently I decided to completely remove something from my trading system. And it wasn't because of some nonsense on YouTube, or it wasn't because I found some new strategy. It's simply because my data told me to. So I'm going to explain exactly why I had to make that decision. So what exactly did I remove? Y'all know me, I'm straight to the point. The 5-minute time frame. From this point moving forward, the 5-minute time frame is no longer part of my system. I think a lot of traders make the same mistake. The moment something stops working, they look for a completely new strategy. Absolutely not. My strategy didn't change. My entries didn't change. My risk management didn't change. The only thing that I'm changing is removing one time frame out of the few time frames that I make entries on. After reviewing, if not hundreds of trades and going over my journal, one thing started to stand out and become very clear. Now, the 5-minute time frame execution wasn't necessarily, I wouldn't say destroying my strategy, but over the course of time, it was slowly bleeding out the account. Like 1 week I'd be up 5%, next week down 5%, but again, over the course of hundreds of trades, such a long stretch of time, and there's now no real noticeable profitability, I've decided to just completely remove it, which is overall going to save me time on the charts. This is why I encourage every trader to journal every single trade that they take. Your emotions will lie to you, your opinions will lie to you, but your statistics won't. And once you get enough data over time, your data is going to tell you some things that you may or may not be doing, or you might want to go over some things that you might want to change. But if you're not prideful, are you willing to listen? And to be honest, I could have ignored it. I could have convinced myself that maybe it was bad luck, or maybe I could convince myself that, hey, maybe the next quarter or the next market cycle will yield better performance. But that's not how I trade. If my data says something has to go, it goes. Simple. All right, now, let me be clear. I'm not saying that the 5-minute is a bad time frame to trade on. There are some people that I know who are making a killing on a 5-minute. I'm simply saying that it no longer fits the way that my trading system is applied. Every single trader is different. Even if 2 different people are trading or went to the same school and trade the same type of strategy, there are going to be different emotions behind every execution. So that's why, again, I strongly emphasize and stress gathering your own data and going over your own metrics. At the end of the day, the market is not a creature that it should care what you and I think. Trading is a skill set, and improving doesn't always necessarily mean adding something new to your strategy. And in this case, it could mean removing something. And for me, that was the 5-minute time frame. But that's it. As always, thanks for watching. And remember, structure over anatomy, anatomy over execution. I'll see you next time.